So hey guys, in this video we're going to get the information about basic tools of CorelDRAW 7. In this tutorial we are going to see how we can use shape, smooth, smear, twirl, attract, repel, smudge and roughen tool. So first we have to just open CorelDRAW X7. And hit file, new, or direct hit the new or Ctrl N. Create new document dialog box opens. Name whatever you want and then sample. So we're getting the information about shape, smooth, smear, twirl, attract, repel, smudge, roughen tools. So we have to get the shapes like rectangle, circle, and triangle, because then having 3 edges. As you can see here, 3 edges. If you can increase to the 4, it gets shape with another shape. So that's the magic. So here first we have to get the information about shape tool. First, to get the shape, so to select it to the shape tool. As you can see, I cannot get the shape or nodes of that rectangle. So this is object. So for converting into curves, we have to, or outline, we have to Control Q or just go to object and convert to curves. Select that, and as you can see, this view nodes comes in, and then we have to again convert into curve, because that is line, so we have to convert it into curve. So as you can see, these nodes are getting these nodes, and we can do as you write shape or whatever you wanted shape. As you can see. So similar for that, just click on the node and convert it into curve. As you can see, this nodes comes out, hidden nodes comes out. Again similar, again similar. So that's the use of shape tool. To undo that, as you can see, we can do again similar with that. Because of this node, it doesn't have fully lined shape, so we can do this with deleting this node, and as you can see, this comes in. Again, this is deleted. So here if you have to fully get that node, you have to delete that middle section node. And this similar for circle. Again, object, go to convert into curves, and as you can see, you can edit it with shape tool. You have to Control Z it to the regular shape, get to the regular shape, and that's the use of shape tool And for the smooth tool, what does smooth is get it to the shape you want it, set it to 30, and that's the width or nib size of the brush, and if this is the rig which effect is applied, so we have to set it into 40. This is paint pressure that is used for tablet or and you can see this corners getting smoothened. The pressure applied is bit low, so they're getting time to, as you can see, showing it. Yep. As you can see, these are the nodes that are pointed. See the pointed nodes. If I Control Z or undo it, you can get the pointed nodes. There you go. It is used to smoothen the curve or the pointed nodes. That's the use of smooth tool. And the smear tool. What the smear tool is, get the pointy nodes. If we have so we have this curve smoothed, so we have to just get the pointy node on this node or you can see point, so we have to zoom it first. Yep. Then click on smear tool and get the pointy smear with the pen pressure. As you can see, I'm getting pointy nodes out there. So here the pointy node comes in, or you can get the smooth smear like this. That's the smooth. That's the pointy smear. So that's the use of smooth and smear tools. The tools are used for getting the weird shapes to the another shape. So here we go. Hand tool. And then comes twirl tool. What twirl tool does is just get the rounded shapes. This comes in counterclockwise, means the left direction, and this comes to clockwise, right to the right direction. So we are first applying to circle with sides. This size comes together. As you can see, this is applying little much force, so let me just increase it. Getting faster. These tools are for if they are using touch tablet, they are useful for them. This 1, 2, 3 tools and a smudge and roughen tool. I'm teaching again next. So first we have to get the information about attract tool. So we have to get 2 lines for that. That's it. Copy and just we copy. So here the attract tool function. Select the node whatever you want. Get to the another node. Select another node and get into the another node's line. So that's not a regular shape, or we cannot fill color into it. As you can see, we cannot fill color into it. So for that's our 2 lines. We cannot say its shape. Then that's the use of attract tool. Then comes ripple. That is, you have to first select that line, and as you can see, these lines are getting wider or getting away from that lines. So that's a pretty use of ripple tool. Smudge tool. What does smudge tool is? Get the weird shapes or shapes for the objects. So we have to delete that. So we have to shape that rectangle with the smudge tool. So we have to just ignore that. The tools to the center. So here the smudge tool, what does is use each size. That's the main point. Dry out. What does dry out is? It widen or narrow the smudge effect. It depends upon the dry out, which is dry out. This is the effect. The smudge effect depends upon the dry out. If we reduce the dry out, and see, gets to the outer side, and you can see this. If we increase the dry out, we're getting to the inner side. You can see So that's a pretty use of smudge tool to get this weird shapes or shapes uh, like you want to control Z that first. So here we go. That's the pretty use of smudge tool. Then comes the roughing tool with this angle that you want and the shape, the roughing shape. So here, this is the frequency of spikes that you want in a first clip. So first you have to click that object. The first you have to select. As you can see, this if we increase that number to 10, you can see pretty much 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 as per click you can get spikes. So that's the angle. If you want that 90-degree angle, first select that. So if we want 90-degree, we can do 90-degree angle spikes and see, but they are pretty much smaller than the angle. So here we are switching to angle like 60. So as you can see that good glow. You can do to get the pretty good design. So that's the use of shape, smooth smear, will attract with the smudge and rough tool.